Hey guys, good news. We've made it. We've made it to our last chapter. And some other good news is we only have two sections to cover in this chapter. So in chapter 12, we're going to do 12.2 and 12.6 only. And in those sections, we're going to talk about exponential functions and equations. So we talked a lot last chapter about quadratic equations and their graphs, right? The parabolas. Now we're going to talk about what does a graph look like if it's an exponential equation. We're going to graph them. We're going to look at some application problems and where you might see these exponential functions. And then we're going to talk about some solving equations that have exponentials in them. Make sure that you print off your last blank chapter notes packet. Make sure that you fill those in as you're watching the three different parts here. And then make sure that you submit your completed notes under the chapter 12 completed notes. And then we will be done covering new material for the class. Make sure that you take your pretest in time so that the less homework you have to do. If you're not satisfied with your pretest score, make sure you do your homework with at least 80%, and then make sure you do your retakes by Sunday evening so you can get the best score possible. We are done learning new material. It's been a pleasure. All we have to do now is review for our final exam and then kick butt on our final. So let me know if you need anything before the class is over.